Hey y'all, what's up? I am back here today with a color tutorial. I'm here with this rose gold color. I'm actually put it on Snapchat. I actually got the new blonde hair, so I'm like, what color should I do? And I said rose gold or platinum blonde, and not platinum blonde, platinum purple, and you all said rose gold on Snapchat. So I'm like, okay, I gotta do rose gold. And y'all, this is like the easiest way to like do it. So yeah, like just stay tuned if you're interested in getting this color. And All Hair is by Hottie Hair Company, of course. And I don't want to see nothing in the comment section about my hands, because I do hair all day, every day, and I know I'm struggling. But like, I don't have the time to keep getting stuff done. So I'm taking the Adore rinse, and I have colors Cotton Candy, Fruit Punch, and Honey Brown. This is a bowl of warm water. Do not boil water. I did not tell you to boil the water. The water is just warm, straight from the tap. You don't need no hot ass water. No. So I'm just putting in, I think I put like 5 pumps of the cotton candy to start with first, and I just mixed it in. And you want to make sure you mix it all the way in, because if you don't, those color blobs will like end up on the hair, and it'll be like splotchy, and you don't want that. So I ended up adding 3 more pumps of the cotton candy, and y'all literally, like, I'm not even measuring. Y'all just want to like play it by eye, and like, I don't know, like, just mix it to your liking. Like, you could be like a little baby chemist, like, you know, just, I don't know, just get a tester piece if you're uncomfortable doing it. But like, here you can just see, like, I'm just like using squirts as like my measurement. So I did 3 squirts of Fruit Punch, and I mixed it, and it came up to that color. So I'm now taking a bundle. I think I started with the longest bundle first, just because that was the one on the bottom, like if I did mess it up. So I'm just unraveling the bundle, and I'm folding it up, and I took this clip and I put the clip on there because this made it easier. You don't want to do it while the bundle is like folded up all the way, because the color won't get through to the root part, and it'll be blonde in some places. So I'm just taking that and make sure I have my towel, and I'm literally just putting it in the water. And you can see what I did. You want to let it sit in there for some time. And after you do that, like, you can start messing with it. Like, I've like pulled it up and down out the water until the water like ran clear, or almost clear. Like, you'll see what I did. So you want to completely submerge the hair, so all the strands can be saturated. So I am taking it out for the first time, and you can see some of the hair got, dyed already. All the dye wasn't. Okay, so I'm taking it out of the bath now, and I am just literally bringing it up and down out the water, and like combing through it with my hands. And I got it to a color that I liked, this nice pink pastel peachy color, and I thought that was really suitable for the rose gold color that I wanted. So when I got to a certain point, I just stopped, and like, I put the perfect amount of dye in there. I feel like for the color I want, like any like lighter, like I feel like I would have been pushing it, and it would have kind of just came out orangey. So you want to use majority of the cotton candy color and a little bit less of the Fruit Punch color if you want it to be like less orangey and more pinky. So this is the bundle. I am just doing all those same steps. I didn't put as much in the water this time, since there was some left over from the previous bundle, but I put about, I think I put about like 6 squirts of cotton candy and 3 squirts of Fruit Punch, 4 squirts of Fruit Punch. I'm not sure, but just watch closely. when it comes to the frontal, you want to just literally put the whole thing in there. Like, just submerge it in the water. The lace will not get stained. The rinse is not strong enough to stain the lace. Like, when it's in the water, it's that diluted. So it literally will just give the hair a nice pastel color. So don't be worried about the lace. You can just dunk it right on in there, girl. It's not gonna stain. And this is the 3 bundles, and I have the frontal. I was so happy they came out the same color because I was kind of worried, but like I was really just playing it by eye and mixing the colors how I thought they like would turn out nicely, I guess. I don't know. So there's 1 bundle dry and 1 bundle wet. I am taking a completely new bowl of water, and I'm using the honey brown color. Filling the bowl with this, and I'm also adding a little bit of the cotton candy and of the fruit punch, and I'm gonna mix it together. You want the solution to be mostly brown because this is what's gonna give the rose the golden part of like the hair. So as you can see now, the color has given it that rose gold effect look. Oh, I was so like happy at this point because I'm like, wow, like it turned out great. Like I was a little scared. I've never done this before, but I'm glad I did it, and I'm glad I can share it with you guys because this is literally like so freaking easy. Like what? So I just repeated the same thing on the frontal. And like I said, I really don't measure. You really have to play it by eye and just add as much dye as you want or you feel that you need to get the color that you desire. So I'm now taking the frontal out. I'm done with the dyeing process. I have dyed the 3 bundles and the frontal, and I made this wig. Love, 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 love this wig. I literally just straightened it. I really didn't want to do anything too crazy to it. I just wanted to get it on my head. So after that, I put it on, and you guys see how it came out. I was so happy with the results. I will do a video on how I put on 613 wigs. It's a little bit different, kind of the same but a little bit different, just a few more steps you have to take than a regular lace frontal wig. But anyway, I love this wig. So yeah, I'm glad I could share this with you guys. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.